Hi, this is question 12 from the Edexcel Unit 2 Higher March 2011 paper, and we're looking at indices, powers and such. And for the first question, fairly common question, is something to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 is 1. 12 to the power 0 is 1. 15 to the power 0 is 1. Anything to the power 0 is always 1. This question here is looking at negative powers, and negative powers don't fall into the trap of thinking that it makes the number in some way a negative number. We've got something to do that. We can times things by -1. We've got a way of making negative numbers. We don't need to do it with powers. So for this one, 5 to the -1 is basically finding the reciprocal. Now, just to give you a couple of other examples, if we had 3 to the -2, then that would be 1 over 3 squared, which is 1 over 9. If we had something like 2/3 to the -2, then that would be the same as 3 over 2 squared. And so it turns the original number upside down, if you like, finds the reciprocal, and that would be 9 over 4. So as I said, the answer that you're looking for that one is 1/5. The final part is looking at fractional powers, and fractional powers are things like square root, cube root. So 4 squared is 16, and therefore that means that 16 to the power half is 4. So half is the square root. If I did 2 to the power 3, that's 2 times 2 times 2, that would be 8. So 8 to the power 1/3 would be 2. So this one here is square root, and that's the power half, and this one here is the cube root. Now, if we had something like 3/5, and we wanted to find that to the power -1/2, just to be complicated, then that's the same as the negative would turn it upside down, and the power half would mean we square root everything. So going back to this one, 9 to the power half, well, that's square root, which would be 3. Hope that helps.